Hi, it's Richard Greaves, broker owner of Remax Alpine Realty, and welcome back to my monthly market update for the Canmore real estate market. If this is your first time here and you are starting your property search for Canmore, I have some free tools for buyers in the link just below. So we're in the first week of March. We've just come through a bit of a deep freeze, and February was a busy month for us. We had 34 sales in total for the month. That's just 2 less than February of 2023. Our average price point this month was $979,000, or an average square foot price of $717 per square foot. And properties are selling fairly quickly. They are, in February at least, we're selling within about 52 days. In February as well, we also had 44 new listings hit the market for the month. So we're just starting to see those listings start to creep back up on the market a bit. So how does February of this year compare to January of this year? Well, January we had a total of 33 sales, so we had one more sale in February compared to January. The average price point in January is $987, so very, very similar to February of this year as well. The big difference though, in February, as I said, properties were selling in about 52 days. In January, they're selling in about 74 days. So we started to see them sell about 30% faster in February than we did in January. And we're certainly starting to see that as we move into March. And I'll get into that in just a bit. So how did those sales break down for February of this year? We had 2 single family home sales in the month at an average price point of $1.789 million, or $667 per square foot. And they were on the market on average for about 17 days, those 2 sales. It was interesting, in February, we only had properties in the single family home category in the $1.7 million price point and up. We didn't really see any sales or any listings come on the market for single family homes under that $1.7 million mark. We do have one right now in March. As I say, everything else is above that 1.7 price point still for single family homes. So hopefully we'll start to see some of the single family homes come on the market in the next month that are in those lower price points. Duplexes, we saw 3 sales. Average price point was $1.508 million, or $662 per square foot, and they were on the market on average for about 93 days, so sitting a little bit longer for half duplexes. Townhomes, good activity in townhomes this month. We had 12 sales for townhomes. Average price point was $1,099, so about $1.1 million, $647 per square foot for those, and they sat on the market for about 59 days. Apartments, we had 8 sales. Average price point was $654,000, or $671 per square foot, and they were on the market for about 67 days. Hotel condos, we had 7 hotel condos sell this month at an average price point of $741,000, or $828 per square foot, and they sat on the market for about 29 days. And then tourist homes, we had 2 tourist homes sell for the month. Average price point was $787,000, or $1,068 per square foot, and they sat on the market for about 17 days. So February turned out to be a great month. As we move into March, we're starting to see things pick up. Buyer activity is definitely picking up. We've had 17 new listings so far this month hit the market. We've had 10 conditional sales, and we've got 5 firm sales already. So March is looking to be a busy month. We are starting to see multiple offers again in some of those price points and some of the categories in the Canmore real estate market. So hopefully we'll start to see listings continue to pick up. Hopefully we'll start to see some inventory in some of those markets. As I said previously, those lower price points in single family homes. We're going to need more townhomes coming on the market with the sales activity that we're seeing in that market segment. And March is really shaping up to be a busy month, and really the first month of our spring market. As always, if you have questions about the Canmore real estate market or are looking for more information on the Canmore real estate market, my information is just below. And please, if you could give that subscribe button a quick click, we would really appreciate it. We've got some great videos coming in the next few weeks.